माय चैनल स्टडी जोन नेवर स्टॉप लर्निंग। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको क्लास 10 सब्जेक्ट साइंस के सैम्पल पेपर के सॉल्यूशंस बताऊंगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट का सॉल्यूशन है इनिशियली लाइट ग्रीन कलर चेंजेस टू रेडिश ब्राउन कलर, कलर इज गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड, गैस विथ चोकिंग स्मेल इज इवॉल्व्ड। इसमें से कोई भी दो ऑप्शंस आप लिख सकते हैं। या फिर जो सेकंड ऑप्शन में क्वेश्चन दिया गया था उसका आंसर है सोडियम क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस बनती है डाइल्यूट HCl और सोडियम से। सेकंड आंसर है सोडियम कार्बोनेट डेकाहाइड्रेट, जिसको हम लोग बेकिंग सोडा भी कहते हैं, Na2CO3.10H2O। थर्ड है ए ऑप्शन होगा उसका, चेंज इन केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, इट डज नॉट अकर ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप। फोर्थ आंसर है द लाइट इज लीस्ट स्कैटर्ड एट नून। फिफ्थ बोथ आर कॉन्केव, ऑल्टरनेटिव आंसर दैट शुड बी गिवन क्रेडिट प्लानो कॉन्केव लेंस। सिक्स्थ है बिटवीन द प्रिंसिपल फोकस एंड द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, या फिर सेकंड जो दिया था क्वेश्चन उसका आंसर है ऑप्टिकल सेंटर। सेवेंथ है देयर आर मोमेंटरी galvanometer deflections that die out shortly, the deflections are in opposite directions. Eighth है the field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire, ये उसका डायग्राम है। Ninth voltage drop is same across both or W equals to QB. 10th veins have thin walls because the blood there is no longer under pressure and they have walls to ensure blood flow in one direction. 11th answer है the inner lining of the small intestine has numerous finger-like projections called villi which increase the surface area for absorption. Goat, because herbivores eating grass need a longer small intestine to allow the cellulose to be digested. 12th आंसर है ओजोन लेयर प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ यूवी रेडिएशंस या फिर यूवी रेज। या फिर सेकंड है द लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी एट ईच स्टेप इज सो ग्रेट दैट वेरी लिटिल यूजेबल एनर्जी रिमेन्स आफ्टर 4 ट्रॉफिक लेवल्स। 13th है द पैंक्रियास secretes digestive juice which contains enzymes like trypsin for digesting proteins and lipase for breakdown of emulsified fats. 14th है C assertion is true and reason is false. 15 B both assertion and reasoning are correct, reason is not the correct explanation of assertion। या फिर इसका सेकंड है B both assertion और reasoning are correct, reason is not correct explanation of assertion। 16 है A both assertion and reasoning are correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion। 17 का फर्स्ट है टिश्यू रेस्पिरेशन, डी है एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन। थर्ड का बी है एरोबिक और एनारोबिक अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज हाई एंड कंसिस्टेंट इन एरोबिक एंड लो इन एनारोबिक। फोर्थ है सी सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ ओनली। फिफ्थ है अलोकेशन, ए है ऑप्शन लोकेशन एरोबिक साइटोप्लाज्म एंड एनारोबिक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। इन 5 में से किसी 4 का आपको आंसर देना है। 18th का फर्स्ट है सी ऑप्शन, सी इज ग्रेटर दैन RB ग्रेटर दैन K ग्रेटर दैन Na ग्रेटर दैन Li। सेकेंड है B एज हाइड्रोजन कैन ईजिली लूज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन लाइक alkali metals टू फॉर्म पॉजिटिव आयंस। थर्ड ए है F। फोर्थ का सी ऑप्शन है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिक्रीज डाउन द ग्रुप ड्यू टू इंक्रीज इन एटॉमिक रेडियस, टेंडेंसी टू गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन डिक्रीजेस। फिफ्थ का डी ऑप्शन है F and Li आर इन द सेम ग्रुप एंड अक्रॉस द पीरियड एटॉमिक साइज रेडियस डिक्रीज फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट। 19th का फर्स्ट MCQ का ऑप्शन है बी कॉन्वेक्स। सेकेंड का है P इक्वल्स टू 1/f, P1 इज इक्वल टू 1/f1 एंड P2 इज इक्वल टू 1/f2, P1/P2 इज इक्वल टू 4/1, hence 1/f1 / 1/f2 is equal to 4:1, hence f1/f2 is equal to 1/4। B का ऑप्शन है 1/4, मतलब सेकेंड का B का ऑप्शन है 1/4। थर्ड है ए ऑप्शन है रेशियो ऑफ हाइट ऑफ इमेज to height of object. फोर्थ का सी ऑप्शन है 8 सेंटीमीटर. फिफ्थ का सी ऑप्शन है not so thick lenses would not make the telescope very heavy and they will also allow considerable amount of light to pass through them. 20 का फर्स्ट है सी इलेक्ट्रिकल टू मैकेनिकल. सेकेंड का बी the bar will be magnetized as long as there is current in the circuit. Third, a bar magnet. Fourth, D, only second. Fifth, A, for a current of 0.8 A, the magnetic field is 13 MT. इनमें से 5 में से कोई 4 आपको आंसर करने हैं. सेक्शन बी है 21. Bile juice makes the acidic food coming from the stomach alkaline. For the action of pancreatic enzymes, bile salts break the large globules of fat in the intestine to smaller globules, increasing the efficiency of enzyme action. This is similar to the emulsifying action of soaps on dirt. या फिर इसका सेकंड ऑप्शन है the separation keeps oxygenated and deoxygenated blood from mixing, allowing a highly efficient supply of oxygen to the body. This is useful in animals that have high energy needs, birds and mammals, which constantly use energy to maintain their body temperature. 22nd answer है 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives C6H12O6, that is carbohydrate, plus 6 O2 that is oxygen. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. These steps need not take place one after the other immediately. For example, desert plants take up carbon dioxide at night and prepare an intermediate which is acted upon by the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll during the day. 23rd answer है burn compound in air, oxygen gas evolved turns lime water milky by sharing its 4 valence electrons with other elements. या फिर second है due to self-linking ability of carbon catenation. Since carbon has a valency of 4, it can form bonds with 4 other atoms of carbon or atoms of some other monovalent element. Due to small size of carbon, it forms very strong and or stable bonds with other elements. इनमें से आपको कोई भी 2 ऑप्शन लिखने हैं. 24th है first S greater than R greater than P greater than Q. Second Cu and Q SO4. 25th, the phenomenon is called dispersion. Speed of violet light inside the prism is slowest and that of red is highest. Hence, deviation of violet light is maximum and that of red is minimum. 26th, the overall current needed is equal to 9A. The voltage is 12V. Hence, the Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to IR. The resistance for the entire circuit is equal to 12 upon 9 is equal to 4 upon 3 ohm is equal to R. R1 and R2 are in parallel. Hence, R is equal to R1 R2 slash R1 plus R2 is equal to 4 R2 upon 4 plus R2 is equal to 4 upon 3 R2 is equal to 2 ohm. तो इसका आंसर होगा 2 ohm. सेक्शन सी है जो 3 मार्क्स का है. 27 question, the ratio obtained is 9:3:3:1 in which parental as well as a new combinations are observed. This indicates that progeny plants have not inherited a single whole gene set from each parent. Every germ cells take one chromosome from the pair of maternal and paternal chromosomes. When 2 germ cells combine, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of other pair of characters. या फिर second है in human beings the genes inherited from our parents decide whether we will be boys or girls. Women have a perfect pair of sex chromosomes XX, but men have a mismatched pair that is X and Y. All children will inherit an X chromosome from their mother regardless of whether they are boys or girls. The sex of the children will be determined by what they inherit from their father. A child who inherits an X chromosome from her father will be a girl, and one who inherits Y chromosome from him will be a boy. 28 क्वेश्चन है यूज ऑफ प्लास्टिक कप्स रेज द कंसर्न टूवर्ड्स हाइजीन thus they were replaced by disposable plastic cups. Plastic cups are non-biodegradable and harm the environment friendly and do not harm the environment, and that is environment friendly. They were thus replaced by kulhars. Making kulhar made of clay on a large scale resulted in the loss of top fertile soil. Now disposable paper cups are used because the paper can be recycled, it is biodegradable and is eco-friendly material which does not cause environmental pollution. 29. Blood passes through filtration units in the kidney called nephron, passes through glomerulus in the Bowman's capsule, ultrafiltration. Filtrate initially has glucose, amino acids, water, salts and nitrogenous waste. Reabsorption, water as per the need of the body, glucose and amino acids are all reabsorbed. Secretion of excess water, salts and urea, nitrogenous waste which makes up the urine. 30. A. Heating of lead nitrate and electrolysis of acidified water. B. 2 AgCl in the presence of sunlight gives 2 Ag plus Cl2. No deduction for not mentioning state of reactants and products. कोई इसमें डिडक्शन नहीं होगा आपके मार्क्स का. 31 क्वेश्चन है का आंसर फर्स्ट डी एज इट इज वन ऑफ on the left side of the table in group 2. Second, C as it is in the group 18 noble gas. Third, E as we move from left to right across a period, atomic radius decreases. अब क्वेश्चन 32 आता है. इसका आंसर ऐसे मेंशन किया है. ए Ca20 है, Cl17 है. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इसका होगा 2881 एंड 287. जब इसका हम लोग इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे तो CaCl2 ऐसे फॉर्म होगा. बी है आयोनिक कंपाउंड्स डू नॉट कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन सॉलिड स्टेट ड्यू टू absence of free ions but they conduct electricity in molten and aqueous state due to presence of free ions. 33. Refractive index, speed of light in vacuum, speed of light in medium. Since the refractive index of diamond is more, hence the speed of light is lesser in diamond. Let speed of light in water VeV W and in diamond BeV D. Refractive index of diamond WRT water is say n equals to speed of light in water upon speed of light in diamond. n is equal to VW upon VD. मतलब वाटर और वैक्यूम और डायमंड का. Dividing both numerator and denominator by speed of light c, we get n is equal to VW upon c divided by VD upon c. Inverse ratio of refractive index of water and diamond. n is equal to 2.42 upon 1.33, that is 1.82 approximately. 34th का आंसर है मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया 10, gastric juice 1, brine 7, aqueous sodium hydroxide 13. Baking soda undergoes thermal decomposition to form Na2CO3, CO2 and H2O and H2O CO2. Makes the cake fluffy and soft. NaHCO3 in the presence of heat gives Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. इसके uses हैं used in fire extinguishers, antacid to neutralize excess acid in stomach, to neutralize the effect of acid in insect sting. या फिर सेकेंड ऑप्शन है फर्स्ट ए बी का है सी ए डी एंड बी. सेकेंड है ड्यू टू मॉइस्चर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू जिप्सम. CaSO4 plus 1.5 H2O gives CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. थर्ड है मेकिंग टॉयज डॉल्स और स्टैचूज, फिक्सिंग ब्रोकिंग लिंक्स, मेकिंग डेकोरेटिव मटीरियल्स. 35 का ऐसा डायग्राम आपको बनाना होगा. डायग्राम ड्रॉन एंड annotated with the following points will also be considered. आपको डायग्राम बनाना है, फिर उसका पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देना है. Stamen is the male reproductive part and it produces pollen grains. The ovary contains ovules and each ovule has an egg cell. The pollen needs to be transferred from the stamen to the stigma. If this transfer of pollen occurs in the same flower, it is referred to as self-pollination. On the other hand, if the pollen is transferred from one flower to another, it is known as cross-pollination. After the pollen lands on a suitable stigma, it has to reach the female germ cells which are in the ovary. For this, a tube grows out of the pollen grain and travels through the style to reach the ovary. जो फिगर में ऐसा बताया है, the male germ cells produced by pollen grain fuses with the female gamete present in the ovule. This fusion of the germ cells of fertilization gives the zygote. After fertilization, the zygote divides several times to form an embryo within the ovule. The ovule develops a tough coat and is gradually converted into a seed. The ovary grows rapidly and ripens to form a fruit. Meanwhile, the petals, sepals, stamen, style and stigma may shrivel and fall off. Answer 36 है, the lamps are in parallel. Advantages: if one lamp is faulty मतलब उसमें कुछ fault है lamp में, it will not affect the working of the other lamps. They will also be using the full potential of the battery as they are connected in parallel. Parallel पे effect नहीं पड़ेगा अगर उसमें से कोई भी एक हटा दिया जाए लैम्प. उसमें कुछ फॉल्ट है या फिर उसमें कोई डिफेक्ट है तो उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा अगर वो पैरेलल में है. द लैम्प विद द हाइएस्ट पावर विल ग्लो द ब्राइटेस्ट. P is equal to Vi. In this case, all the bulbs have the same voltage, but lamp C has the highest current. Hence, for lamp C, P is equal to 5 into 60 watt is equal to 300 watt, the maximum. The total current in the circuit is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 ampere. A is equal to 15A. The voltage is equal to 16 watt. V is equal to IR and hence R is equal to V upon R. 60 upon 15 is equal to 4A. Second है इसका option 1. The magnetic field lines produced is into the plane of the paper at R and out of it at S. Second, field at S is bigger than field at P. Magnetic field strength for a straight current carrying conductor is inversely proportional to the distance from the wire. Third, the current will be going from top to bottom in the wire shown and the magnetic field lines are now in the clockwise direction on the plane which is perpendicular to the wire carrying conductor. Fourth, right hand thumb rule. The thumb is aligned to the direction of the current and the direction in which the fingers are wrapped around the wire will give the direction of the magnetic field. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो साइंस सब्जेक्ट के सैम्पल पेपर के सोल्यूशन पे पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना ना भूलें. और अगर आपको इसमें कोई भी डाउट हो या कोई क्वेश्चन आपको इससे रिलेटेड पूछना हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में डाल दें. थैंक यू.